Good morning, guys, and this is our last day here, and it is kind of bittersweet for me. I like the atmosphere and all of that, so that's why it's bittersweet. But we know, so we have to go back home, so that's why it's sweet, because you're going back home to your little habitat.
Little habitat in Kingston.
So did you enjoy your weekend there?
Yes, that is why I'm so sad that we're leaving.
You look depressed.
Nice sitting by the cliff, kicking our feet over the edge. Yes, I did enjoy my weekend. Thank you. You can born?
No. Why?
Because we have to leave and go back to work. Yeah, well, I mean, Seacliff was nice though. I enjoyed it.
The people here are accommodative. And yeah, I enjoyed that about it. We told you guys in our last vlog that we had some noisy neighbors, and they changed our room, which was really good because they didn't really have to, but they did because, you know, they saw that it was an inconvenience to us, and they upgraded our room to a certain extent. But I do think I preferred the room I was in first over this one. Without this one, I have little seating areas and all of that. But the one before this was better to me. Was it better to you?
Yeah, the extra space in this room is nice, but we never really need that much extra space. I prefer the other room to this one.
Me too. This is supposed to be a master room.
I mean, the bed is
bigger,
I guess, but yeah, it's
because it's a king bed and the other bed is a queen.
Yeah,
but
the other bed was hard. Never a problem.
This one,
and plus it forced you to be close. No, you can the way far over one side.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's awful.
And if you're tall, you're gonna have to watch your head with this.
Like me.
Yeah, who bumped his head.
First-hand experience with this.
Welcome back. This is a big jump, like from Seacliff to now we're actually at everyone's parents' house. They live in Portland. Everyone teeth are food in the pot. A joke in our teeth. Just kidding.
Something keeps it.
But yeah, we are here at his parents' house. His father is here because his mother is in Kingston. Mr. Franklin, you want to say hi?
Is that a show for me?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is my daddy. And I call him daddy.
Guys, oh, my face burn. Legit burn. I tell you my face burn up.
Yeah.
Burn. Hi guys, so we are on our way home now. We just left everyone's parents' house and we're now on the road. I'm tired. You tired, babe?
I am.
I'm a bit tired.
A bit tired.
I slept like all of the journey to Evan's parents' house. And then I feel like I'm gonna sleep again, which is not good. I think I'm just dehydrated because I haven't been drinking a lot of water. Especially because I'm accustomed to drinking so much water and then I just start rub. Something that I want issue. Why I feel so tired? I mean, it might not be being tired, it might be being dehydrated. Hi guys, so we are back in Kingston and we're heading over to the van house now, which is kind of a bad idea. A good idea and a bad idea, because none of us is supposed to be eating ice cream, but we haven't had ice cream in forever and we just feel like we do it.
I'm not stopping it now. I'm encouraging it.
Exactly.
I'm encouraging the ice cream. I need some ice cream in your life.
Sunburn isn't the best thing ever, guys.
No, it's not.
Also,
Accident? R5.
Some take off shirt. I want pee-pee. I always want pee-pee. Get myself. Oh, me trunk. It's so sunny. It's like you left Portland and it was like cloudy, and then Kingston is like real sunny.